Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to create Walmart careers account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, you'll need to visit the Walmart careers website. So in order to do that, open up a web browser. Once you open up a web browser, go to the URL box at the top and type in careers.walmart.com and press enter on your keyboard. You will now be able to see the Walmart Careers official website. Mouse over to the login button. Now, select one of the areas you'd like to create an account for. And once you do that, you will be taken to a new tab. Go through the following disclaimers and agree to the terms and conditions by clicking on I agree at the bottom and click continue. On the next page, click on Search for Job. Enter your zip code or your city's name or state and click Search. It'll now show you the list of jobs available based in the search that you've provided. Click on one of the options and click Continue. On the next page, select the job type you'd like to apply for and click Continue once again. Select what kind of employment you are looking for, select your shifts that you may prefer, and the specific hour you can work for. Click Continue once done, and on the next page, enter a valid email address you would like to create an account with. Confirm the email by entering it once again. Now create a password for yourself. After creating a password, go to the next field and re-enter the password once again. Select the language of your preference from the display and enter a mobile phone number. After entering the mobile phone number, you can also enter an alternate contact number on the next page. If you want to opt into text messages, you can check on this little box at the bottom. If you don't want to do that, leave it unchecked. And finally, click on Create Account. Now, click on the Start button once you see it and complete your application. Enter your first name, last name, your zip code, date of birth, and your social security number in the provided text boxes below and click on the Next button. Now, enter the rest of the information and get ready to submit an identification verifying document. Follow through the prompts till the end, and then you will also need to fill in some questionnaires. You will be able to fill out the application. Make sure to verify your employment visa status and document for your eligibility to work. And once you've completed the steps, you will have your Walmart career account set up and ready to explore job opportunities. And that is how you will be able to create a new account for Walmart's career. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.